Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into one of the top-rated emergency response bags, the Primacare fully stocked reflective trauma bag. This kit is designed to keep first responders prepared for any situation, and it's packed with everything you need to handle medical emergencies with ease. When it comes to emergency preparedness, time is everything. The Primacare trauma bag ensures that you have immediate access to all the essential tools you need, all in one compact, durable bag. Measuring 17 inches in length, 9 inches in height, and 7 inches in width, it's the perfect size for carrying everything you need without being bulky. It's made from high-quality, water-resistant polyester with reinforced stitching, ensuring that your gear stays safe and secure even in the toughest conditions. Reflective stripes on the outside make it highly visible, especially during nighttime emergencies. Inside, this trauma bag is a game-changer. It's organized with a removable compartment that includes adjustable dividers, making it easy to keep all of your tools in their place. There's a front compartment, quick-access side pockets, and elastic loops for all your gear, from bandages to stethoscopes. You won't have to waste time digging around for what you need. Everything is right at your fingertips. Speaking of gear, this bag comes fully stocked with everything a first responder might need. You get a premium stethoscope, a blood pressure monitor with cuff and case, EMT bandage shears, a CPR pocket resuscitator, a rescue blanket, and so much more. The kit includes gauze rolls, bandages of various sizes, antiseptic wipes, cold packs, gloves, and antibiotic ointments. It even comes with a first aid guide to ensure you're never caught off guard. The contents may vary slightly, but you'll always get the essentials needed for rapid response. But what really sets the Primacare trauma bag apart is its portability. The bag is lightweight and equipped with a comfortable shoulder strap and sturdy carry handles, making it easy to carry into any emergency situation. Whether you're on the move in an urban setting or responding in the wilderness, this bag is designed to keep up with you. Primacare's attention to detail ensures that this trauma bag is not only functional but also built to last. The reinforced bottom, anti-slip feet, and heavy-duty zipper are all there to keep your supplies safe, no matter what the situation throws at you. So if you're looking for a first responder bag that offers excellent organization, easy portability, and all the essential medical supplies, the Primacare fully stocked reflective trauma bag is the best choice. Whether you're an EMT, EMS, paramedic, or someone who just wants to be ready for emergencies, this bag has got you covered. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews of the best products out there. Stay safe and prepared.